everyone, I'm Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you are here today, and I'm very excited to be a part of Crafted by Corie's Minis Challenge this month. And this month, it's Christmas in July. How exciting. Anyway, I'm showing Corie's channel. She's very, very talented, wonderful creator, has a lot of amazing videos and tutorials, and I really hope that you go check her out if you're not already subscribed. And you may be, because she's very, very good. So anyway, let's jump right into the video. I have 4 DIYs for you today. This first one is a little Christmas tree sign. I thought it was kind of cute. So there's a picture of it. I'd like to show first so you kind of know what it's going to look like. And what I did is I pulled out some of my design paper. I'm a paper crafter as well. And I really liked this green and white, black, whatever, plaid looking paper. I don't know, plaid. Yeah, I think that's plaid. Anyway, and I'm using this sign from Dollar Tree. And by the way, I save those beads all the time on those little signs. And so I cut the paper down, and I'm just going to paint this with some Rust-Oleum white linen. And then I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge the paper on. I'm going to be using a wooden Christmas tree, and I do not remember where I got it, so I do apologize. I've had it in my stash for quite a while, probably a couple years. But I'm sure you can find them at different places. You just kind of go during the holiday season, or pretty soon probably. They'll be pulling that stuff out. And then I'm just going to paint it. I believe I used Moss by Waverly. I do wrap the bottom trunk with some raffia that I had. And then the bow, that little ribbon on the bow, let me just say, I have been hoarding that. That's all I had left of this ribbon. And I absolutely love it. And so I had enough to just make a little bow, that you saw at the top. And I did wrap some twine around the frame and inside the frame and that sort of thing. But right here, I'm just filling that little hole with wood. I almost said wood glue. You know what I mean? Wood filler. Anyway, I think it turned out super duper cute. So sit back, enjoy. I've got some Christmas music for you today. I know it's only July, but Christmas in July. Never too early, I guess, to start getting our crafts going. But I love fall. I'll start on that one first. But anyway, sit back and enjoy, and then we will move on to the second DIY.
For myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Moving on to DIY number 2. This is just a cute little picture vase. I was lucky enough to find this in a thrift store. It's really tiny, small, And there's like a medium size, large size, a bowl, a platter. It all came together. Very, very inexpensive. I love going to the thrift store. Anyway, all I did, it was kind of an ivory color. I, of course, cleaned it, but then I painted it white. And then I just used a little bit of, Christmassy floral stuff, as well as I have this adorable little wooden candy cane. It was gifted to me in a paper crafting swap, and of course I've literally had that, I think, 3 years. I gotta stop hoarding. And so I just used some Distress Oxide ink from Tim Holtz, but you could paint it whatever, but that's how I kind of dyed it this red color. And then I just made a cute little bow, and that was it. Super easy, and I just love projects like this. Oh, and I'm into this gold lately, so I just dry brushed a little bit of gold paint over, the vase to show all the raised areas. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. While I've got you here, I just want to thank everybody for joining me today. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel or coming over from one of the other very talented ladies' channels, thank you so much. And I hope you consider subscribing. And please leave me a comment. I really enjoy interacting with everybody and meeting you. Also did want to mention there's a playlist of some amazingly talented ladies that participated in this challenge. So I will have them linked below, as well as Crafted by Corie's channel, of course. So please go check them out and enjoy.
All the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to...
Okay, I hope you liked that last DIY. So moving on to the next one. This is just a Christmas sign that I made in one of those Dollar Tree boxes. And even though the stars show, I kind of thought they were cute, I don't know, stars, Christmas. Super easy again. All I did was paint this white. Again, I used a little bit of Christmas, scrapbook paper, if you will. It's actually cardstock weight, but you could use anything. Even a gift bag. I know Dollar Tree has some really cute, maybe not now, but gift bags. So anything you have. And I know, look at this. I cut through that December 25th by accident. Oops. Anyway. So yeah, I just Mod Podged this in, super simple, took some ribbon, went around the box, and then I just I didn't show making the bow. I'm really bad at making bows. You really don't want to suffer through that with me. I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to practice. But anyways, I made a bow for the top, and then I just put this little gold picky looking thing in there, and that was it. These are very simple and easy, quick. I think they make cute little gifts too, around the Christmas time. For, family, friends, whoever, if you have a work little, sometimes they have a little work, I don't want to call them a swap, but you know what I mean, where you give little gifts and stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this and enjoy the music, and I'll catch up with you in just a moment.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again.
All right, we're on the fourth and final DIY. It's a cute little garland, and I had again in my stash some items. There's that little Christmas tree and the little wood slice and some things, and I tied some ribbon in different spots. I used 20 beads, by the way, and I think every 5. I was gonna use this cute ribbon that had little gingerbread man on it, but I didn't. I'll save that for a different one. Anyway, if you are still here, go ahead and type Santa in the comments, and please give me a like. All right, so this is super easy. Just wanted to make a quick garland. I thought it would be cute. I love making garlands. And if you stay tuned to the end, there is a picture of all of them put together on a cute little tiered tray. All right, everyone, thank you so, so much. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.
Come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.